Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, as well as cruise control, hill descent control, tonneau cover and spray bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the child lock, as well as chrome exit. You're also going to use black running boards here as well. Onto the seats, you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat. Passenger and driver are both heated. Left side, you're going to have the integrated brake controller with your 2 and 4 wheel, and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your fuel gauges, as well as you can access audio, phone connectivity, OnStar navigation, and much other settings. And the classic key, classic color truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. You got Chevrolet MyLink, as well as projection wired, OnStar navigation, and other downloadable apps. Just below, you're going to have the CD player. Below that will be the dual zone climate control with the heated seats on each side, as well as your traction control, cargo lighting, and as well as hill descent. You're going to have extra storage down below here, as well as a 12-volt and an AC wall port at the bottom there. And the center console here. You're going to have USB, as well as more 12-volt, lots of extra storage. You're also going to have storage just below. Just folds right back down. Passenger side, manually adjustable. You're gonna have the Bose speaker on the bottom there, as well as the double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, and then here you just access your reading lamps and your sunglass case holder. So you get these 18-inch wheels on Michelin Defender LTX tires with the paint match mirror caps and door handles as well. To the back, you're gonna have the Z71 off-road package with the corner step bumper, the trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, bow ties, as well as spray bed liner with bed tie downs as well. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. You got the built-in cup holder with the power windows. Pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver side with a rear 12-volt and storage on the bottom there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Seats fold up for more storage. You're gonna have lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT, equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, as well as a Z71 off-road package, Michelin tires, as well as spray bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.